Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Jennifer. Today I'm taking you thrift shopping. Over here I can zoom in to Goodwill. I actually, oh whoops. This is the second day my friend and I, Victoria. Her channel will be linked below.
What's up, guys?
Yeah, I'm trying to turn her into another thrifting queen like
and it's
myself.
hard.
You know?
Yeah, you have to have patience.
A lot of patience.
Like look at everything, but not look at everything.
Yeah, it's a weird combination of that stuff. We actually went thrifting yesterday. I filmed the intro then, but I look terrible. I look really tired. What's up, guys? We are here at the thrift store. I'm with my friend Victoria. Hello.
Hi.
So also I have the sunglasses on today. Anyways, you'll see those clips first, and then you'll see the clips from today, and then I'll do a haul eventually. So hope you enjoy. First tip. On Thursdays, at least in SoCal, Goodwill's have their dollar deals. The color of the week, all this stuff is $1. For out of the day.
This is from Michael.
Ooh.
This is from the store that doesn't even exist anymore.
Oh, Wet Seal, right?
I don't know. Those are my sandals. Those are from Kohl's.
Forever 21, the thrift store, and then this is from American Eagle. Another tip is when you're going thrifting, wear stuff that's easy to take off in case you want to try things on. Or
You're gonna try it on?
Yeah, if you don't want to try it on, then just wear something. Well, I guess it doesn't matter then, but.
Wait, I just ruined your whole tip. Do it again. I was doing like some bad commenting.
Another tip is that if you want to try things on, wear clothes that are easy to take off. Like, don't wear like things that you can tie up or button up a lot, just stuff that you can easily fling off, you know? And if you don't want to go into the actual dressing room, wear things that are more fitted or like tight clothing, so that way you can just try on outside. So that's faster. Another tip is to go on time so that it's not
Jennifer,
picked
you're
over.
going like way too close.
Yeah. So when I go thrifting, I always like to look through the jeans first, just because I feel like a good thing to buy are like mom jeans, because they're cheap on the thrift store, of course, and they be vintage, obviously. But yeah, I just like to go for them. Cameron Dallas made it to Goodwill, guys. He's $1 today. It's $1 deal. You should buy it. Fitting room time. So I'm coming at you through voiceover because I didn't want to cause a scene and talk in the dressing room. But anyways, here are my tips on how I determine whether or not I want to buy something. So first of all, I have to like the fit and style, and it must fit comfortably. And I must still like the fit of it, and it still must be comfy while I'm standing, sitting, and walking. So if a garment meets all these criteria, then I will definitely consider buying it. And sometimes I just don't like how a garment fits as is, so an easy fix I do is cuff the ends of sleeves or pant legs. This is especially useful when I find jeans with a slight flare that I want to get rid of. Cuffing usually helps. And don't be discouraged if your garment is missing a button, because that's an easy fix, and usually you should just check the pockets and it'll be in there. If not, then you might want to reconsider buying it. It's a nice jacket, but it's way too big and it has stains, so it's gotta go. Sadly. I just really like this part. And I think it's vintage too because the tag's really big. But whatever. And then I found this stuff, but I'm still deciding whether I want to spend all this money. Victoria found nothing.
I found nothing.
Hey guys, so I've noticed in a lot of thrift stores they have basket bags, and I know that's kind of a trend that's going on, so check your bags if you want some baskets. When you guys are thrifting and it's the summer, I'd recommend checking out the winter clothing like the sweaters, because usually most people don't look in that section if it's summer, obviously, so you can get some cute sweaters so you'll be ready for winter season. So another tip I have for you is to not just stay in the women's section, to check out the guys section, because you might find some vintage shirts. This is not one, but you could find one. And I know I found a Stussy shirt before, so definitely check out the men's section, even the jeans and stuff like that. And if you're smaller, like my friend Victoria, you can check out the kids section too. Hey guys, so I think I just copped some pretty good items at the thrift store. I'm a little disappointed that I spent a little more than what I wanted to, but so the clothes are really cute and I think I could put them to some good use, and if I don't like them I could always end up selling them on my vintage store. Tomorrow Victoria and I are going to thrift again so that Victoria can hopefully find something she also likes. And so I might just film a overall collective haul at the end because I also copped some good items a couple weeks ago. I'll hopefully find some more tips to share with you. Sorry, I was like a little shy in the store just because I didn't want to bother anyone like recording them wise and stuff, but I just need to get over that, so sorry about that.
This is from H&M. These are the shorts I wore that are similar to yesterday. Those are my Kaale sandals. Bag, Urban Outfitters.
My top from Forever 21, thrifted. Sandals are the same I wore yesterday for American Eagle. Thrifted.
Wow, you're just a thrifting queen. Where are your glasses from?
Oh, Forever 21, I forgot. Yeah, that's basically my whole closet. Half Forever 21, half Goodwill. It's cool. It'd be 50% off since it's green.
But today's not Thursday.
Yeah, but all throughout the week, the color of the week is still 50% off. It's just not $1.
How do you think I could cut it? I feel like the sleeves are too big also.
You could roll the sleeves up. You'd probably have to cut into this part though.
It's okay though.
Kind of looks cool. It's more like a thicker material. That was a perfect example of tip number 7, in which you should definitely think creatively. This opens up your options for garments in the thrift store, just thinking of how you could upcycle them to make them into something you would actually wear. So I'm looking through the shirts. I usually don't really look through them, but I came across this one. I thought it looked nice. I kind of tied the bottom. I feel like it could be a little cute tie shirt. I'll try it on, and I like how movable it is. Like I said, guys, you should go through the winter collection, or the winter jackets and sweaters, since not much people go through them. And oh, look at this. Looks like a windbreaker. I like the tan color. It's giving me Kanye vibes. Maybe I'll try it. Yep. This is what I found so far. Probably gonna try it on. Some polos have some jeans, Levi white jeans. The black jacket I could probably distress if I get it. And the other two I showed you earlier. Fitting room time again. I'm just gonna tell you what's going through my brain. So when I'm trying on jeans, I always make sure the butt looks good, which is looking alright. There's a random flag on the butt, but you know, it's all good. But the crotch is what got me here. It just does not look flattering. Neither does this pair of jeans. Even though it is Levi's, I just couldn't get over that crotch area. I was exercising my creativity with this shirt, styling it in a couple different ways until I actually found a way that I liked how it looked. At this point, I just realized button-up collared shirts just do not look good with me. I only liked it when the sleeves were cuffed and the 2 buttons were down, but there was only one way out of so many, so I passed it. As for this jean jacket, I just didn't like how it was a little bit too boxy on my frame, so I went ahead and passed it. And with this jacket, Kanye would not be proud. I tried to cuff the sleeves, which helped a little bit, but the fit was just not there for me. Just way too big, and then it's definitely not worth the $10 price, at least for me, so I'm gonna have to pass this. This shirt is cute, but it's $6 freaking, so not worth it.
Is Speed worth it or not? Have you seen that?
Yeah, I have. I like that show.
Is it worth it or not?
I like it, it's cute, but this part is a little distressed. If it was on sale for $1, heck yeah. I love finding striped shirts like this one, because it's a good knit, and I would consider getting this, but the top part is a little bit too distressed and used, so I'm gonna have to pass. Because it's not Dollar Day either, so I don't want to pay the full $6. Shirt, which I'm not gonna get, even though it's pretty decent for a striped shirt, but it's $6. No thanks, sorry. Okay, so I came back a week later because that's the unhealthy shopper I am, and guess what? Those 2 striped shirts are still there, and it was the color of the week, purple, so I went ahead and bought that, and also a whole other bunch of goodies, which I'll show you in my upcoming haul. Also, here's a little preview of what you'll be seeing, possibly, and also I came back another week later, and these are just some things that I found at my Goodwill, which is freaking amazing. Just these brand names, trendy items. I didn't get them all, and you'll definitely be seeing what I did get in my next upcoming haul, so stay tuned for that. But anyways, thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you're inspired to go thrifting, and definitely share with me your favorite thrift find. And I'll see you in the next video.